Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install from BGMgirl Hair, and you guys, this wig is their 4x6 lace closure, glueless, of course, glueless lace closure straight wig in 26 inches. And you guys, this is a straight out the box wig install. I did not have to bleach the knots, I did not have to cut the lace, I did not have to do any plucking, I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do was take it out the box to install it, and it literally took me like 3 seconds. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to get that done. So as always, I'm just giving you guys a nice and quick unboxing. BGMgirl Hair likes to send so many goodies along with their wigs. That's one thing that I love about them. Now you guys, this is the unit here. Again, this is a straight texture and it is in 26 inches. That lace comes pre-bleached for you. It comes pre-cut and it also comes pre-plucked. This is why I did not have to do any additional work at all. The inside of the wig is a dome cap wig, so it's nice and breathable, it's very comfortable, and then you also have that elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. So before we get started, I'm just going to give you guys some close-ups. So here we have the inside of the wig. I'm going to give you a close-up of the elastic band, which is really good to have. So regardless of like the size of your head, for example, this wig will be able to fit you. You're just going to adjust that elastic band to your preference. And again, the wig came ready to install, ready to go. So I did not have to cut the lace, do any plucking, do any bleaching. I didn't have to do any of that. That came ready, okay? So all you have to do is just add a little bit of makeup onto the wig and adjust that strap to your preference and just throw the wig on. Now, one of the things that I love the most about BGMgirl's Hair Wear and Go wigs is the fact that they do not need any glue, any spray, any gel. Therefore, it's going to protect your edges. You could put it on and take it off whenever you prefer. And also, if you do have like allergy reactions to any type of like lace holding spray or glue or anything like that, this is the perfect wig for you because you don't have to worry about any of that. And as you guys can see, that lace is already melted. We are going to add just a little bit more makeup on her, but this is a HD Swiss lace. Again, that lace is meant to melt, which is why I love this wig so much. And just so you guys know, even though I am sticking with a middle part today, you do have a little bit of room on that lace. So if you want to do like a side part or a side swoop part, you can definitely do that with this wig as well. Completely up to you. So technically the install is already done, right? So all I'm doing right now, you guys, is just styling it. That's literally all we had to do. So I'm just adding a little bit of makeup onto the edges of that lace just to blend it in a little bit more. And as you guys can see, lace wear, she is completely disappearing. I'm also going to add some makeup to that part as well, just to make it a little bit more defined. And I'm going in with my wax stick and my hot comb. For those of you who always watch my tutorials, you know exactly why I'm doing that. But if you're new here, I like to do that just to make sure that the top of the wig is laying extremely flat. I feel like that helps the wig to look a little bit more natural as well. All right, you guys, she is looking good. This is literally looking like my hair because lace wear, okay? Lace wear. So all you really have to do at this point is technically nothing. It's completely up to you if you want to run the flat iron through the hair just a little bit. But being that I had just took this wig out the box, I was like, let me just go ahead and run the flat iron through her just a couple of times, which is honestly all that I needed because she was ready to go. BGM Girl Hair is like the GOAT for these wear and go glueless wigs, I swear. Just so you guys know, this wig is 100% human hair, of course. She's super silky and super soft, as you guys can see on camera. No, I did not add any product to make it look that way. I did not add any type of shine or anything like that. Nope, nope, nope. The hair quality of this wig is amazing. Just so you guys know, it can be easily styled, so you can do whatever you would like with this texture, and it can be dyed or bleached. So it's completely up to you as to how you would like to style this wig, but I was obsessed with it just the way that it came, and being that it's 26 inches, y'all, this wig is so long on me. I'm 5'1", by the way. I'm super short, so it literally touched my butt, okay? I think this is one of my favorite wigs that I've gotten from BGM Girl Hair thus far. Like, I was absolutely obsessed, and the fact that it was 100% glueless just made me love it even better because you guys know that that is my preference. Wigs like this save you so much time, so much energy, and of course money as well because BGM Girl Hair is affordable. But the reason why I say it saves you time and energy is because, hello, it comes straight out the box, ready to go, and there's really nothing that you have to do. So I recommend this to all my beginners out there, or even if you're not a beginner and you just need something that you can throw on a day-to-day basis, this is that type of wig for you, okay? You can wear this to work, on a date, to a concert, to a baby shower, wherever. You can literally wear this wig wherever, and again, it takes like 3 seconds to throw on. I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to BGM Girl Hair.